In the modern healthcare field, the quality and reliability of medical devices are directly related to patient health and safety. In 2024, the global medical device industry continues to advance, with some companies leading in the design, manufacturing, and distribution of medical devices, driving ongoing improvements in medical technology and patient care quality. However, high-level medical devices depend heavily on high-quality components, placing stringent requirements on every part used in the manufacturing process. Aluminum alloy die casting, as a high-precision, high-quality manufacturing technology, is widely used in the medical device industry. The strength, precision, and consistency of die-cast parts are crucial for the performance and safety of medical devices. In this regard, our company has extensive experience and advanced technology capable of meeting the medical device industry's stringent requirements for high quality and standards. We rigorously control every production process, from raw material selection to final product testing, ensuring that each die-cast component meets international standards. As a company dedicated to high-quality aluminum alloy die casting, we are committed to collaborating with leading global medical device companies to advance industry progress and innovation.